Happy birthday, Jeeju. You've hit half century today. Not sure if you're happy or sad about it, but you should be happy because you certainly don't look like 50. You're fit and young as ever.
Have fun, Jeeju. We miss you a lot. I wish we could be there.
Truly miss you. Happy birthday. Bye.
प्रभु का अनंत आशीर्वाद हमेशा बना रहे। उन्नति के पराकाष्ठा पर पहुंचो। सफलता तुम्हारी कदम चूमे। स्वस्थ, प्रसन्न, संतुष्ट, सफल एवं समृद्ध जीवन की मंगल कामना के साथ जन्मदिन की ढेर सारा बधाई।
गौरव तेरा गान मित्रगण करते रहते हैं। इन प्रशंसात्मक शब्दों से गरिमा मत खोना। कठिन परिश्रम कर सफलता की बुलंदियां प्राप्त करो। श्रेष्ठ पद प्राप्ति पर भी विनम्रता बनाए रखो। किसी के लिए भी कटु शब्द मत बोलकर चोट पहुंचाना। सनातन धर्म की मान्यता है हर दिल में प्रभु बसते हैं। दुनिया वाले तो बहुत कुछ कहते रहते हैं, अतः निर्भीक बनकर अपने कर्तव्य पथ पर डटे रहो। गीता में भगवान कृष्ण उपदेश दे रहे हैं, जीवन में अनुकूलता प्रतिकूलता आएगी ही। जैसे ऋतुकाल में सर्दी, गर्मी, वर्षा का आगमन है, अतः सहनशीलता तथा बौद्धिक चतुराई से इन परिस्थितियों से उभरने का प्रयास करो। जीवन में मानसिक शांति, बेचैनी से बचने के लिए धन एवं शारीरिक आरोग्यता भी जरूरी है। जन्मदिन के शुभ अवसर पर हम दोनों तुम्हें बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद प्रदान करते हैं। भगवान तुम्हें स्वस्थ एवं सुखी तथा मानसिक शांति प्रदान करें, यही प्रार्थना है।
हाय गौरव, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। महादेव आपको सदैव स्वस्थ एवं प्रसन्नचित रखे। जीवन आपका हमेशा खुशियों से भरा रहे, परिपूर्ण रहे, हर मायने में। चलिए।
Happy birthday, Mama. I can't believe you're turning 50 because you still have that inner child in you, which is so good because, you know, you have that positive aura always and you're so, you know, joyful and you bring a smile on people's faces so, like, very quickly, which is an art, you know, and it's so good. I've always loved you as a father and you motivated me whenever I feel low because you know how sensitive I am. And whichever role you play in people's life, maybe you're a father, you're a son, you're a friend, you're a husband, whatever role you play in people's lives, you always are so good at it and we are so proud of you of that and also your achievements. And never feel that you're alone because I guess at times life gets tough, you know, and it's overwhelming, it's very frustrating, but that's where family comes in, right? We are always there for you and never think that, you know, batane se kya hoga and this that, you know, don't hesitate. We are always there for you. And
Hey Gaurav, happy 50th. Congratulations on achieving this life milestone.
Happy 50th birthday, Gaurav. Wish you a very healthy and prosperous and long life ahead.
On a side note, enjoy the day, seize the moment and have a blast.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bhaiya. Always stay happy and blessed.
Hi Gaurav, happy birthday to you. Wishing you loads of happiness and lot of good wishes on your 50th birthday. तो मुझे तो याद आता है our MBA days. There was a time when we were inseparable almost. We traveled together to Calcutta for entrance examinations, you will remember. And very fond memories. But the best thing about you is that you're so caring and, you know, a true gentleman because I've never seen you speaking ill of anyone. And that's such a great quality and which is why you've done so well in life. And I wish you as well as your entire family and all your family and friends enjoy and my good wishes again, not only from me, from everyone here in my family. My parents remember you, so from them also, they've put a lot of blessings for you. Enjoy.
Hey, many congratulations on completing 50 revolution of our Lord Sun. It's not a small achievement. In this journey, you have been affected by all these 9 planets. Sometimes they send hard energy, resulting in suffering and making you stronger for next revolution with greater willpower. And sometimes they showered all love and blessings to you so that you express gratitude and amplify your happiness. All the good people around you and family have served their purpose and made you a stronger warrior who has overcome all the hardships, enjoyed each moment of this journey, and achieved so much in life for self and family. This journey has made you a beautiful person with softness externally and at the same time rigid at core to protect your family. On this special day and at this moment, if you look up the sky, we all pray that Lord Sunny, Mars, smiling at you, appreciating your patience. Mercury and Venus, they are putting you on the spotlight with all beauty and grace. Jupiter is welcoming you with open arms, expanding, fulfilling all your wishes and dreams. And I wish Rahu and Ketu, along with Moon, brings all mental peace and calmness for the rest of your journey. May you live long, healthy, joyful, and peaceful forever. Love you. Many, many happy birthday.
50वीं सालगिरह की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं गौरव. Wishing you a wonderful time with everybody you love, especially with your children and Vibha. I wish you a beautiful year ahead. And I'm sorry I can't make it to your special 50th birthday bash, but मैं एक बात कहना चाहती थी कि कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो आपसे मिलते हैं और आपके दिल में घर कर लेते हैं. And Gaurav, you are one of those people. जो हम लोगों ने मास्टर्स में टाइम स्पेंड किया, तुम मेरे हमदर्द दोस्त सब बन के रहे. एंड वो 2 साल में हमारी दोस्ती इतनी गहरी हो गई. हाँ, हम लोग रेगुलरली बात नहीं करते हैं, पर मुझे मालूम है कि तुम मेरे बारे में सोचते हो, मेरे वेल विशर हो. और मैं हमेशा I wish the very best for you all the time. And I'm super proud of you कि तुमने इतना लाइफ में accomplish किया है. And you're still so humble. So thank you for being my friend and wishing you again a wonderful 50th birthday.
Govi, I know you have given so much of yourself, not only to me, but to everyone you know. Yes, I feel so secure with you in my life, with all the love and care and support. You are not challenged. So I...
1,000 tomorrows, a lifetime of I-dos, a story still.
I wish to share
शुरू किया उसकी, सोचा था गौरव के लिए गाएंगे, विवाह को देखने के बाद लगा गौरव नहीं हो सकता, नहीं हो सकता। यार तालियां हो जाएगी बस उससे। आज जब जाहिर होगा, आज मुझे पता था ये जवाब सच्चे से ही आएगा।
Baby, you the reason. Baby, you feel that. For you, my heart's bleeding.
Like a violin, but don't you get violent? I have my reasons, feeling like a freezer. If you wanna know my heart, give me a complete. These bitches respect my name. All this right bitches the same. I'm hot like days in LA. Trust time only to pretend.
Baby, you the reason. Baby, you feel that. For you, my heart's bleeding.
I really wish him a fantastic. I really wish him happy.
I wish to share.
मेरी है कसब गलबा फिकर है का कैंट मेरा ठुमका एक्सीलेंट मेरा ग्रूवी ग्रूवी हो जा मेरे साथ पंगड़े की क्वीन मैं था कुड़ी सो हसीन मैं था मेरी है कसब गलबा फिकर है का कैंट मेरा ठुमका एक्सीलेंट मेरा ग्रूवी ग्रूवी हो जा मेरे साथ
नचांगे सारी रात सोनियो वे नचांगे सारी रात सोनियो वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार सोनियो वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार नचांगे सारी रात सोनियो वे
mucha energy. Dale esto con su rabali ponache. Patne patale palse tu body. Kutuba mine langu tadu me. Iraba kalara con jalebi lady. Salto na tota sweet agu me. Monica, Monica, love you Monica, baby ma Monica, kichma, kichma, Monica, love you Monica, baby ma Monica, kichma, kichma, zum 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 zum, tak, bata jumpa zum, tak, zum 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 zum, tak, bata jumpa zum, tak,
ये मुद्रा है
Hi Jiaji, wishing you a very happy 50th birthday to my go-to person and the biggest strength of my life. Cheers to this amazing 50 years and many more to come. Don't worry, you're not getting older, you're just reverse aging, in fact getting more classic with time. May you be blessed with the best in the coming years ahead.
Happy birthday, Mosa. I love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Mosa.
50 years is an incredible achievement, Mosa, and you look great for being older than the internet.
Jokes apart, Mosa, you've given us all so much wisdom, laughter, and set an incredible example of how to embrace the uncertainties of life while living life king size.
Cheers, Mosa, to the sunset of the 6th decade.
Happy 50th birthday once again.
गौरव जी 50वीं जन्म दिवस की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो और आप इसी तरीके से जैसे 50 की उम्र में भी आप 30-35 के ही दिखते हैं उसी तरीके आप दीर्घायु हों और हमेशा कम उम्र के ही दिखे आपका फिटनेस इसी तरह बरकरार रहे और स्वस्थ रहें मस्त रहें
50 years just I want to tell you I don't know how it goes when time passes by and don't even realize and seriously I've been very lucky while I still try to be a better human but it's still important for me to mention one of the most important persons and because of them who am I today which is my parents I still every day I mean मैं अपने दिल से बोल रहा हूँ हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ कि every day I try to become रोज दिन मेरी ये कोशिश होती है कि मैं लेकिन वो पॉसिबल नहीं सेल्फलेस लव अनकंडीशनल सपोर्ट which I think is something I'm really lucky enough to have my parents like that. Then comes sibling bonds. Yes, my sisters they have taught me the most important and the EQ that you see the most important these are all given by I can say during my early years and the way I grew up. They taught me to be a soft, soft gentleman. And then the time came to take my next leap, and that was to welcome Govi in my life. Now almost spent more than half of my days with her, and for my rest of the life we go together. In our belief system, we give a lot of importance to and a very special place to a spouse relationship, and same is the case for me. She has been always my queen. She will always be. She will be my better half, my soulmate. So, thank you for being in my life and being indispensable. You are really my unbreakable habit. Now, proud to mention about Ira and Arav. You two are beautiful kids. What a fantastic journey to see you grow. And they are almost ready to fly. I always think how this 50 years passed by. I just मैं उनको अपनी गोदी में खिलाता था and now the time that I see them flying around the globe, it's really a fantastic journey. I'm very proud of them. Now, last but not the least, my friends like family. who are always my life support system. And a big thank you for touching my life in such a lovely manner. It's because of you guys that makes my every day so good, beautiful and exciting. Definitely, I would say from my bottom of my heart that you guys add rainbow to my colors to my life. I'm so lucky to find you all in my life. To my office colleague as well, they have been part of my journey and being always a strong team. I believe we also spend a lot of time in the office, and being a strong, building a strong relationship with them is also very important. And I'm thankful that I have that kind of energy going on. So once again, thank you all for such a beautiful journey, and I just wish my entire life goes like that. On that note, I would like to just recite a poem from my heart. So it goes like this. माँ की गोदी, पिता का आशीर्वाद, बहनों की शरारतों से भरी पहला कदम, पहली मुस्कान, हर धड़कन में घर का प्यार, याद आती है बचपन की मिठास जब हर दिन खाते हो। फिर आई शिक्षा की राह, सपनों की उड़ान, माँ बाप का विश्वास, बहनों की तुतली मुस्कान, धीरे धीरे जिम्मेदारियों का एहसास हुआ, मन में रिश्तों का मीठा सा जज्बात हुआ। फिर जीवन संगनी से हुई पहली मुलाकात, सपनों, उम्मीदों और मुस्कानों की वो सौगात जिसने हर मुश्किल में दिया साथ, हर मौसम में बंधी रहीं गलबहियां नई बात। समय के पन्नों पे बच्चों की हंसी, माँ बाप, बहनों और जीवन संगनी का प्यार घुला है बसी। देखे अब जीवन के 50 वर्ष, हर रिश्ता लगता है भगवान की रहमत और फरिश्ता का अर्श। आज जब अतीत के गलियारों में नजर डालूं, बचपन की उंगली थामे घर में आंगन में खुद को पाऊं, माँ की दुआएं, पिता का मार्गदर्शन, बहनों की मस्ती और गृहस्थ जीवन की अनगिनत बनावट, इन सब की वजह से ही आज यहाँ पहुँच पाया हूँ, 50 सपनों और हजारों यादों के साथ। इस खूबसूरत जीवन का हर पल, हर रिश्ता रहे सदा यूं ही उजियार। जन्मदिन की शुभ बेला पर दिल से बस एक ही पुकार, शुक्रिया जिंदगी, शुक्रिया मेरे अपने, तुम्हारे बिना यह सफर अधूरा था। तो 50वें जन्मदिन की इस खुशनुमा मोड़ पर हर गुजरती घड़ी, हर बीते लम्हे और हर रिश्तों को नमन। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस।